Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Tickle hot chocolate. Tickle is a popular brand of hot chocolate mix known for its rich and creamy flavor. Making it is super simple and quick, perfect for a cozy treat. You'll only need 2 main ingredients, your favorite Tickle hot chocolate mix, and some milk. Let's get started on creating a delicious cup in just a few easy steps. To begin, take your Tickle hot chocolate mix. You'll want to add about 2 to 3 teaspoons of the powder into approximately 150 milliliters of milk. Some prefer to first create a smooth paste with a small amount of milk before adding the rest. This helps prevent any lumps and ensures a consistent, rich chocolate flavor throughout your drink. Stir it well to combine. Now, place your saucepan with the milk and Tickle mix over medium heat. It's important to stir continuously for about 60 seconds as it heats up. If you made a paste, you might boil the mixture for 2 to 3 minutes to achieve the desired consistency. Keep an eye on it to prevent boiling over or scorching the milk, ensuring a smooth and creamy texture for your hot chocolate. Once your Tickle hot chocolate is hot and perfectly blended, carefully pour it into your favorite mug. Now comes the fun part, garnishing. You can top it with a generous dollop of whipped cream, a sprinkle of chocolate shavings, or even some mini marshmallows. Take a moment to savor the rich, indulgent flavor of your homemade Tickle hot chocolate. It's the perfect treat for any time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.